Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today, and that is for some new Berluti loafers. Here's the shipping container. It's from Berluti e-commerce in New York, and it's shipped to Mr. Darren Barada, that's me. So it's just like the other boxes I got from Berluti. Okay, so it looks like another one of these like envelopes with an invoice, another thank you note. They included a return label if you wanted to return these. And okay, so on the invoice, these are called the Infini Couture leather loafer. And I think they were priced the same as my brown loafers. Same box as before. I don't keep these boxes, I just recycle them, but I do keep the bags. And these bags are green and say 1895 Berluti, Paris. Oh wow, nice. These have a blue patina. It's called Nero Blue. Here they are. Oh, actually, they don't have much of a patina. They really are just kind of solid. Like, unlike my Nero Grigio loafers, which I'll show you in a sec. And here they are. They're really like a deep blue. It's very like a deep, very rich blue. It's hard to see on camera. And there's the shoe trees. So it's blue on the outside, but like just natural on the inside. Here's the bottom. So it's leather, but this part here is all like a textured leather. Rubber. And same thing here. Also more textured rubber. You can kind of see it. This is leather. Oh, 1895 Berluti, Paris. You can see the stitching. And it's also the same. There's some there too. More here. And a detail I keep forgetting to show you guys. Oh wait, it's not on this shoe, but I'll show you on my other shoes. But there's like a little letter B, like around here. It's not on these ones. Okay, I'll try and take the shoe tree out. It's weird because it's not like, feels different from the others. I think because it's natural, but you can see the blue rubbing off on it already. There's the shoe tree. 1895 Berluti, Paris. Okay. I think I just did that from the shoe tree, but okay. So here it is. It's soft in here. 1895 Berluti, Paris. You can see stitching. Made in Italy. You can kind of see it. Won't really focus. There, kind of. Was for a second. Kind of get the idea of how blue they are. Okay, here's the left shoe. Yeah, these are beautiful. I love the color. I saw these and then they were sold out for a while. And then they came back. They were available again, so I bought them right away. But I think these will look really nice with black dress pants. And I actually think you can wear these with jeans. Okay. So if you guys remember when I unboxed my Oxfords or lace-ups, here they are. This is 2 days at the office. So, I mean, oh, and this is actually really beautiful. This wasn't here before, but these little creases. I like how that looks now. And yeah, that's banging my heels on the, like the office chair. So, yeah. And I've wore these once to the office. These are the Nero Grigio or black. They're really not black. They're gray. I mean, these aren't really dark. They really stick out from, and I wore these with black dress pants, so that's how they stuck out. But there's the purple, like dark purple sole, outsole, and you can see that's not bad for one day at the office. But here's that detail I wanted to show you guys. You can see, I don't know why my phone just doesn't, there, B for Berluti. It's on this one, my lace up, and this, my brown loafer. This, I think I wore this 2 days. How many times have I worn this? No, I've worn this 1 day to the office. So 1 day isn't so bad, but 2 days, you can see what 2 days does. I don't really walk much. I think this has more to do with when I'm in the parking deck and I'm walking on cement. But yeah, and I want to just compare these, my new blue ones, with these black ones because I think they're the most similar. See, you can really see how these are blue and how these are black grayish. I think these are my favorite. Well, actually, my lace-ups are my favorite, Berlutis, but these I think are my second favorite. I haven't worn them, but just based on looks. And I'll let you guys know how these hold up too, because the soles, the outsoles are way more rubber than leather. If you can see that. It sticks out a little too, all the way around. So these might hold up better. These are definitely lighter than the other three. Well, anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I hope to see you on the next one.